So clearly, the arrest of social media influencer and law student Sharmishta Panoli has sparked a political storm, and in West Bengal as well. Panoli was arrested by Kolkata police from Gurugram on Saturday over an allegedly communal charged video. In the latest development, the BJP has raised questions on her arrest despite her deleting the video and apologizing. BJP called out the Bengal police for being unusually hasty in their actions, claiming that the Bengal chief minister has made even more divisive statements and said that no action was taken against her. The BJP has upped their ante in slamming the TMC of appeasement politics. Leader of opposition in Bengal, Suvendu Adhikari, alleged that TMC netas have abused Indian deities in the past, yet no action was taken against them. BJP MP Kangana Ranaut also, as we just told you, voiced support for Panoli, stating that the language used was common amongst the today's youth and that her apology should be enough. She has requested Bengal government to release her and not replicate the North Korean regime in India. The TMC meanwhile maintained that it does not endorse any divisive statement and supports action against anyone making provocative remarks, regardless of affiliation. Panoli, while she was being taken into custody, described the arrest as harassment and anti-democratic.
Harassment you've done! Being in democracy does not democracy! The amount of harassment you've done! Being in democracy does not democracy!
उनके एमपी सायनी घोष महादेव को लेकर क्या पोस्ट किया? कोई एक्शन हुआ? फिराद हकीम के खिलाफ इतना एफआईआर हुआ, कोई एक्शन हुआ? एक्शन जो सनातनी है उनका ऊपर होता है, और यहाँ सनातनी का गाली देना लाइसेंस है, अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है। एक खास समुदाय जिनका उनका वोट बैंक है, उनको तुष्टीकरण करने के लिए कर रहा है।
ये पूरा वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए डिस्टॉर्ट कर रहे हैं। ये कम्प्लीटली अलग पोस्ट था और शुभेंदु अधिकारी ऑपोजिशन लीडर वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए वो कंपेयर करके ये स्टेटमेंट कर रहा है, लेकिन इसका कोई कंपैरिजन भी नहीं होता। ये अलग सिचुएशन है, अलग स्टेटमेंट है, वो अलग स्टेटमेंट था।
The articles that were used, that has been allegedly stated by the prosecution to have been used, being the mobile phone and the laptop, has already been seized. Subsequently, the learned court heard our prayer. The police custody prayer was sought by the prosecution, which was turned down and rejected, and subsequently the accused has been remanded to judicial custody till 13th of June 2025.